Planning a trip to Mantua and need a secure place to store your luggage while you explore the city? RadicalStorage provides a fast and convenient solution to store your bags safely. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Mantua using RadicalStorage, a trusted platform with insured and secure storage options. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops in Mantua, ensuring that your luggage is fully insured and kept safe while you tour the city. While you could search for RadicalStorage online, be mindful of potential phishing sites. The safest way to access the official RadicalStorage platform is through the secure link provided here. Once on the site, simply type Mantua in the search bar, and you'll see a list of storage locations throughout the city. Select the most convenient storage point, whether it's near key attractions or transportation hubs in Mantua. Then, choose your desired drop-off and pickup times, and proceed to complete your booking securely online. With RadicalStorage's secure payment system, you can book with confidence. After completing your booking, you will receive a confirmation with a reference number and directions to your selected storage location. When you arrive, just present the reference number to the staff, and they'll take care of storing your luggage. That's it. Now you can enjoy Mantua worry-free while your belongings are safely stored. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.